Want to break into UI UX design or level up your skills? A great certification can boost your career, help you land better jobs, and sharpen your design expertise. In this video, I'll break down the top UI UX design certifications in 2025, what they offer, how much they cost, and which one is right for you. Let's dive in. Why get a UI UX certification? UI UX design is one of the most in-demand skills right now. A certification can help you build a strong portfolio, prove your skills to employers, learn industry best practices, increase your earning potential. Now, let's check out the top certifications for 2025. Top UI UX certifications. 1. Google UX Design Certificate. This professional certificate offers beginner-friendly UX design training through Coursera. Developed by Google, it provides foundational knowledge for aspiring designers. Program structure. Duration, approximately 6 months, 10 hours per week. Format, 100% online, self-paced learning. Courses, 7 sequential modules. Projects, 3 portfolio-worthy case studies. Curriculum highlights. 1. UX research, user interviews, personas. 2. Design process, wireframing to prototypes. 3. UI principles, visual hierarchy, typography. 4. Responsive design, mobile and web adaptation. 5. Figma and Adobe XD, industry standard tools. Investment. Monthly cost, $39 subscription. Estimated total, $234, 6 months. Financial aid available. Career outcomes. Build professional UX portfolio. Prepare for entry-level positions. Earn shareable certificate. Access job search resources. Ideal for career changers to tech. Junior designers upskilling. Self-taught learners needing structure. Professionals adding UX skills. Considerations. Focuses on fundamentals. Requires self-discipline. No one-on-one mentorship. Limited advanced content. Final verdict. The Google UX Design Certificate provides excellent value for beginners seeking structured, affordable UX education. While not replacing a degree, it effectively prepares students for junior roles through practical, portfolio-focused learning. 2. Nielsen Norman Group UX Certification, Expert-Level Training. World-renowned for its research-backed approach, NNG offers the most prestigious UX certification in the industry, designed for serious professionals. Program structure. Modular format, complete any 5 courses. Duration, self-paced, typically 3 to 12 months. Delivery, live online or in-person conferences. Exam, 100-question test per course. Curriculum depth. 1. Advanced usability testing. 2. Interaction design principles. 3. Information architecture. 4. UX leadership strategies. 5. Emerging technologies analysis. Investment value. Full certification, $4,900, 5 courses. Individual courses, $1,000 to $1,500 each. Conference discounts available. Team pricing options. Professional recognition. Industry gold standard credential. Demonstrated expertise validation. Exclusive NNG alumni network. Continuing education credits. Ideal candidate profile. Mid to senior UX practitioners. Design leads and managers. Times researchers needing advanced methods. Consultants building credibility. Key differentiators based on 20 plus years of UX research. Taught by original UX pioneers. Focuses on evidence-based practices. Globally recognized certification. Considerations. Significant financial investment. Geared toward experienced professionals. Requires substantial time commitment. Less hands-on than beginner programs. Bottom line, the NNG UX certification represents the pinnacle of professional UX education, delivering unmatched depth and credibility for established practitioners seeking to validate and expand their expertise through rigorous, research-driven training. 3. Interaction Design Foundation UX Certificate. The Interaction Design Foundation, IDF, offers one of the most respected affordable UX design certifications, combining academic rigor with practical skills. Program structure. Times duration, self-paced, typically 6 to 12 months. Times format, 100% online with continuous access. Times courses, 30 plus available, complete 7 for certification. Times learning style, video lessons plus in-depth readings. Curriculum depth. 1. UX fundamentals, psychology and principles. 2. Advanced topics, information architecture. 3. Specializations, voice UI, gamification. 4. Research methods, analytics, testing. 5. Design leadership, strategy and management. Pricing model. Annual membership, $144, all courses included. No additional certificate fees. Discounts for multi-year plans. Key advantages. World-class instructors, Don Norman, etc. Active global community, 300,000 plus members. Downloadable course materials. Local meetups and networking. Learning experience. Academic yet practical approach. Progress tracking dashboard. Course completion certificates. Portfolio building exercises. Best for serious learners wanting deep knowledge. Professionals needing flexible scheduling. Those valuing community support. Budget-conscious students. Limitations. Less hand-holding than boot camps. No structured career services. Requires self-motivation. Fewer software tutorials. Final assessment. IDF delivers exceptional value for self-driven learners seeking comprehensive UX education. While less flashy than some alternatives, it provides arguably the best cost-to-quality ratio in UX education, especially for those wanting ongoing access to learning resources. Key differences from Google's certificate. 1. Annual subscription model versus monthly. 2. More theoretical academic focus. 3. Larger course library. 4. Stronger emphasis on UX community. 5. More suitable for intermediate learners. 4. HFI Certified Usability Analyst, CUA. The CUA certification by Human Factors International, HFI, is a prestigious credential focused on usability engineering, human-centered design, and UX research. Designed for professionals, it delivers rigorous, science-backed training in evaluating and optimizing user experiences. Program structure. Duration, intensive 2 to 3 week program, full-time. Format, live online or in-person workshops. Exam, proctored certification test. Prerequisites, recommended 2+ years of UX experience. Core curriculum. 1. Human factors and AMP, psychology, cognitive load, perception. 2. Usability testing, moderated, unmoderated methods. 3. Heuristic evaluation, Nielsen's principles, expert reviews. 4. Quantitative UX research, metrics, statistical analysis. 5. Accessibility and inclusive design, WCAG, compliance. Investment. Cost, $3,000, includes training plus exam. Renewal, none, lifetime certification. Value, high ROI for corporate UX roles. Key benefits. Industry-recognized Credential gold standard in usability. Practical, science-based approach, not just theory. Networking, connect with senior UX practitioners. Corporate acceptance, valued by enterprise employers. Best for mid-level UXers deepening research skills. Consultants needing credibility in usability. Product teams improving evaluation rigor. Limitations. Expensive versus self-paced alternatives. Not for beginners, assumes UX fundamentals. Time-intensive, requires full commitment. Final verdict. The CUA certification is ideal for serious UX professionals specializing in research and usability. While costly, its lifetime validity and corporate prestige make it a smart investment for career advancement in evidence-based UX. 5. CareerFoundry UX Design Program. This premium bootcamp-style certification offers a structured, mentor-driven approach to UX education with strong career transition support. Program structure. Duration, 6 to 10 months, 15 to 20 HRS week. Format, 100% online with one-on-one mentorship. Projects, 4 portfolio case studies. Job prep, 60-day career accelerator. Curriculum focus. 1. End-to-end UX process, research to prototyping. 2. UI design fundamentals, visual hierarchy, typography. 3. Industry tools, Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD. 4. UX writing and micro-interactions. 5. Design thinking workshops. Tuition details. Full program cost, $7,000. Payment options, upfront discount or installment plans. Job guarantee, tuition refund if not hired within 6 months. Key differentiators. Dedicated mentor and tutor support. Real-world design agency experience. Personalized job coaching. Active alumni network 10,000 plus. Ideal candidates. Career changers needing structure. Those wanting daily accountability. Students preferring human feedback. Professionals seeking design agency experience. Program strengths. Most comprehensive mentorship. Strongest job placement support. Most polished portfolio outcomes. Best for complete beginners. Potential drawbacks. Highest cost among options. Rigorous time commitment. Less flexibility than self-paced. Basic for experienced designers. Career outcomes. Graduates typically qualify for UX designer, UI UX specialist, product designer, interaction designer. Which certification is right for you? Not sure which one to pick? Here's a quick guide. For beginners, Google UX or IDF. For UX researchers, Nielsen Norman Group or HFI. For career switchers, CareerFoundry. For affordability, IDF or Google UX. No matter which one you choose, the key is to apply what you learn in real projects. So, which certification do you think is the best? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more design content, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.